Käsespätzle, for you to understand.
Where are you getting the recipe?
I'm getting it out of Crossing Boundaries, How One Semester Abroad Changed Lives.
Uh-huh.
It's in the back. 3 cups of flour. White flour, nothing added.
Have you done it with other kinds of flour?
Yeah, I did in the beginning when I first came to this country.
Uh-huh.
Not so good.
Huh.
They have this stuff in there that's self-rising or whatever.
Uh-huh.
Not good for spätzle.
Okay.
It's a sad day. Salt.
A schwupp? 2 schwupps?
It's a schwuppity schwupp. 4 eggs.
Are these more Luca and Corey eggs?
No, these are Sarah Gilmore.
We source our eggs from all over the neighborhood.
What are you doing?
I'm cutting onions.
And why are you cutting onions?
Because you told me to.
Oh, come on.
No, because Käsespätzle without caramelized onions is like a day without sunshine.
And you can use your favorite pan.
Oh, yay!
Also need a specific kind of cheese. I usually get Gruyere from Switzerland. Cave aged is the best. But they didn't have enough at the store right now, so I'm using also Dubliner, grass-fed, whatever that is. Looks good. I hope it works. We'll see.
Alright, so just gonna put a little bit of oil in here for the onions.
We're gonna shred the cheese. Also need to heat up a pot of water and a little salt. 3 cups of flour now, 4 eggs, and a pinch of salt. And now the only thing that's still missing is water. I usually use this cup. It's
So go out and get that cup.
cold water. It's about a cup, but you have to kind of see because it depends. You need it fluid, but not fluid enough. So it's always a little bit, well, a little bit different every time. But here we go. And then you want to whip it for a long time. Because the more you whip it, I think the more gluten develops, and it makes it more fluffy noodles.
So how long did you do that for?
A few minutes. Let's just see. I think I'm going to add more water. Oh, this is better. See, it's fluid, but not too fluid.
What are you doing over here?
Okay, I'm just going to prep for getting ready to use the spätzle. And for me, it's all about workflow. So the dough is going over here. I'm going to make the noodles with the spätzle maker. And I have my slotted spoon ready. A bowl with the spätzle going to go in. Salt and pepper. And shredded cheese. The water is now boiling, which is what we want. We want to put the spätzle maker on top. And then some of them will go through by themselves, but kind of have to help it along. You don't really need a spätzle maker. My grandma made it with a wooden board and a knife, but it's definitely easier to have one. And now I'm just gonna loosen the noodles up in the bottom, turn it up on high again, and now I'm waiting for it to boil.
Onions are golden brown and delicious looking. They're done. They're boiling.
Mm-hmm. Now we want to boil them for just a little bit to make sure the noodles are cooked. Alright, now we're going to layer noodles. Get rid of the water. And then salt, pepper, cheese. Turn down the heat a little bit so it doesn't boil over. And repeat.
You have a guideline for how thick each layer is?
No. Turn it back up. Here we go. Meanwhile, we can make our salad. And it's just Dave and me. Probably just prepare half of this napa cabbage. Soak it right away because it will turn into brick. And it's also important to clean the spätzle machine right away. Again, same reason, it will just dry on and it's a pain in the ass to clean up. And so it just really helps if you do this right now. And then you can put it in the dishwasher. While we're waiting again for the noodles to boil, we're gonna make a salad dressing for our napa cabbage salad. And you can make any kind of salad. You can make a green salad too, but it should have an oil and vinegar dressing just because.
Ooh, tell me what you're doing right now.
Oh yeah, so this is the garlic peel remover. I don't know. So you just roll it. This one is really big, and it just is easier to get rid of the skin. There you go.
Is that the end of the cheese?
And the cheese, as
And
we know it.
Wait, there's one more little noodle.
And then, here's the fun part. You have to be in the bowl. Just look at that.
Wow.
It's pure joy. That's how it's supposed to look like. Salad dressing, I don't really measure things, but I call it a shwoobity shwoop, and I go around. That's about right.
Is that one shwoopity shwoop?
I think it's shwoobity shwoop shwoop. And then vinegar a little less, maybe just shwoop shwoop. So there you go. And then salt and pepper. And the garlic will have a reaction with milk. Oopsie. And I don't drink milk, but I drink hemp milk or almond milk will work too. And it works just the same, I think. So here we go. And it makes it just a little thick with the garlic. It works better with milk, but it's still really good. And you're quarantined, so you don't have to worry about the garlic in your mouth. Just see.
Can we eat yet?
Soon. So if it was evening right now, I would say let's drink some wine. Chardonnay is nice. Not particular this one, but this has a muscadet. I'm not even sure what that is, but a white wine. I know nothing about wine, okay? But Chardonnay is really good with spätzle. That I know. And a Pinot
Gris?
Gris. That's it. Anyway, guten Appetit.
Bon appetit.